What evidence matters most in a North Carolina slip and fall case? In North Carolina slip and fall cases, evidence can be very important in determining what actually happened. One of the most helpful types of evidence are photographs of the scene. Pictures of the hazards, the surrounding area, the condition at the time of the fall can help show what caused the incident. Incident reports and surveillance video are also very helpful. Many businesses document accidents that occur on their property, and security cameras sometimes capture the event or the condition that caused the fall. Witness statements also play a role, especially if somebody saw the hazard before the fall or observed what happened. And finally, medical records are important in documenting the injuries and how they relate to the slip and fall incident. Every case is different, but in North Carolina slip and fall cases, the focus is often on the evidence and what it shows regarding the dangerous condition and how long it may have existed before the accident.